I don't know how was it for you, but for me this year was like bam, it's just gone. It was like super fast. And it's always fun to have the new year because we set a lot of goals, right? We are like, okay, in this new year I will, I don't know, start doing this every day. I will learn a new language. Like in my case, I need to learn Polish actually. Like I will go to gym every day or at least a couple times a week, and you know, we have a lot of goals to set at the first day of the year. And I want to tell you, like, keep calm about this and like don't set super ambitious goals, because generally it's a very dangerous thing. Like it's great to be ambitious, it's great to have goals, of course, like I also have mine, but I would suggest you to just keep it a little bit more realistic, because working on your goals constantly but every day, or even if it's not every day, like you can skip one day every now and then, but as soon as you are consistent, working small steps is way better than setting a goal like in 1 month I will be the rock star and it never happens. You just get discouraged and just you lose all your goals. I just wanted to remind you that rather than setting super high goals and not following them, it's better to just work constantly, step by step on your goals. And also thank you very much for this year, for all your support, for watching my videos, liking them or commenting or whatever you did. Even if we just interacted a small bit, if you send me a message or whatever it is. Thank you for watching me, thank you for supporting me in this journey. And in 2022 we will have more videos, I have more plans, I am planning to do a lot of things, but maybe I should also keep calm and like set more realistic goals, but we will see. And let me know what kind of videos, what kind of information you want to get from me, and enjoy your day today. Enjoy your New Year's and Happy New Year. Have a great one. See you soon. See you next year. See you soon.